Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you've got a cluttered baggy drawer, then I've got the answer for you. Who else gets frustrated when their baggie drawer is just overrun with all different kinds of baggies and plastic wrap and aluminum foil, and it just gets overwhelming and you're trying to put new boxes in and take old boxes out? It's just frustrating, and that is why I am so thankful for this baggie organizer. It holds everything, all the different size baggie, plus your aluminum foil and plastic wrap that fit easily in the holes provided for you to slide them in. Look, it even comes with the cutter to cut the plastic wrap and the aluminum foil, so that is absolutely wonderful. It cuts with ease, and then you're ready to go. I had to wrap my cantaloupe, and the baggies come out very easily. You can see how many size bags I fit in there. That's probably 2 boxes worth of snack bags that I fit in there that I got out of my drawer. I like that it'll fit all different sizes of baggies. I've got some specialty bags up at the top that I use just to make my son smile, but they fit perfectly in there, and that's wonderful. The thing I love the most is that you can hang this on your wall. What? And it frees up a whole drawer that you had stuffed with baggies, and now it's empty and you could fit anything you want in there. So this baggie organizer has far exceeded my expectations. It's been more than I thought it would be. I absolutely love it. I know you're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.